Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade fruit roll-ups. First, select your favorite ripe fruits. Berries, mangoes, or apples work wonderfully. Make sure to wash them well and remove any stems or seeds. You'll also need a baking sheet and parchment paper, which will be essential for the drying process. Getting these items ready beforehand makes the whole process much smoother. Next, it's time to create your fruit puree. Place your prepared fruit into a blender and process until it's perfectly smooth with no chunks remaining. If your fruit isn't very sweet, you can add a touch of honey or maple syrup to taste. A small amount, perhaps 1 teaspoon, of lemon juice can also brighten the flavor and help prevent browning, especially with lighter fruits. Now, line your baking sheet with parchment paper and pour the fruit puree onto it. Spread the puree into a thin, even layer, about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch thick. Bake this at a very low temperature, typically around 140 degrees Fahrenheit, for several hours. The exact time will vary, but you're looking for a texture that is pliable, not brittle, and no longer sticky to the touch. Once your fruit leather is perfectly dried, let it cool completely on the baking sheet. This step is crucial for easy handling. Then, you can cut the large sheet into strips using a pizza cutter or kitchen shears. Roll each strip with its parchment paper for simple storage. Store these delicious homemade treats in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 month, or freeze them for longer enjoyment. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to that awesome car air freshener and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.